Mamangi video da question number 107 ba hotkre class 10 gi Manipur board na prescribe tawba physics ki science ki light to dagi physics ki portion gi electricity gi wina adu ngasi gi video sida kono jo naina gadu si question number 8 dagi so you are given three resistors of resistance 1 2 3 ohms. Show by diagram how with the help of these resistors you can get resistance of 6 ohms, 1.5 ohms, 2.2 ohms, 6 by 11 ohms, 11 by 3 ohms. So answer question number 1 is 6 ohms. So nangonda PVC resistance 1 ohms ki amane 2 ohms ki amane 3 ohms ki amane se resistance ohum pire. Now to get 6 ohms we have to connect the three resistances in series. So suppose R1 is 1 ohms, R2 is 2 ohms, R3 is 3 ohms. So upon a resistance of whom series the samtati makogi equivalent resistance hai. Equivalent resistance is given by the sum of the resistances. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is 6 ohms. And 6 ohms whenever the makta apana resistance ahumdu series the samani. Mathang Roman number 2 gi to get a resistance of 1.5 ohms. Sigi damaktati when R1 1 ohms, R2 2 ohms, R3 3 ohms. Final samta di mogi equivalent final samta di R1 ga R2 ga R1 ga R2 ga series nina so magi equivalent resistance C1 plus 2 so 3 ohms tarani then R3 of 3 ohms 3 ohms amaga 3 ohms amaga parallel that sambamnina magi equivalent resistance hai equivalent resistance 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So LCM 3 letter 1 plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Therefore Rp equal to 3 by 2. That is 1.5 ohms. Then mathangi na 2.2 ohms. 2.2 ohms. सी फंगनाबैदमक्तदि resistance C R1 equal to 1 ohms. R2 equal to 2 ohms. R3 equal to 3 ohms. So this is 1 ohms. 2 ga 3 ga parallel दिखाता है. So 1 by R equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to LCM is 6. 3 plus 2, so 5 by 6. Therefore, R equal to 6 by 5. Advaita di 1.2 ohms. So 2 ga 2 ziga 3 ziga parallel samamnina magi equivalency 1.2 ohms are. Then finally si anijimu sige 1 ohms ka 1.2 ohms ka series nina we get 2.2 ohms. Then mathangi dana 6 by 11 ohms. So R1 is 1 ohms, R2 is 2 ohms, R3 is 3 ohms. So we parallel samamnina. So magi equivalent resistance T 1 by R equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So LCM 6 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 11 by 6. Therefore, R equal to 6 by 11 ohms. 6 by 11 ohms. Then last case, to get 11 by 3 ohms. Kita dia guna 3 ohms की resistance सीमा juga 1 ohms का 2 ohms का सी parallel samani. So their equivalent resistance C kamenta kani 3 ohms lega. Say 1 ga 2 ga parallel C bola C 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by R. So 2 plus 1, therefore R equal to 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3. Now see 3 ga 2 by 3 ga series D equivalency कहता है कि 3 plus 2 by 3. So this is 3 9 plus 2, so 11 by 3 ohms. Adana minus And so next question is, a resistor of 10 ohms is combined in parallel with another resistance of X ohms. The resultant resistance of the combination is found to be 3.75 ohms. What is the value of X? So, say question the PC 10 ohms की resistance it is connected in parallel with a resistance X, and the equivalent of this combination is 3.75 ohms. Question is 10 ohms amaga X aba unknown resistance amaga parallel sami aduga their equivalent resistance is 3.75 ohms. Question is, what is the value of X? Now by the parallel combination of resistances, 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by X, or 1 by 3.75 minus 10, 1 by 10 equal to 1 by X, or 1 by X equal to LCM 37.5. So 10 minus 3.75, and this is equal to so 10 minus 37.5 532. 3.75, so 5 to 9 dagi 3 circle d6, so 6.25. Therefore X is equal to 37.5 divided by 6.25. It is 6 ohms. So now question number 10. How many resistors of 200 ohm each are required in parallel combination so as to carry 5 ampere on a 200 volt line? So here see the 200 volt की line हम ले रहे हैं. Say this is combination of some resistances. Say parallel combination ni. See the question of PG. See the 5 ampere current current of 5 ampere flows in the combination of some resistances. It's of 200 ohms. So we can find out the equivalent resistance. Now, so V equal to Ri from Ohm's law, from Ohm's law. So 200 equal to Rp. You can write Rp into I is 5. Therefore, the resistance is 200 by 5. So this 40 ohms. So this is 40 ohms. Suppose if n resistors each of 20 ohms are connected in parallel to get an equivalent resistance of 40 ohms, then n divided by 200 equal to 1 by 40. Therefore, n equal to 200 divided by 40, that is 5 ohms. 5, no, not ohms. The number of resistance is 5 ohms. Suppose, question number 11, there are a number of bulbs rated 220 volt, 100 watt each. How many bulbs can be connected in parallel across a 220 volt supply if the maximum permissible current is 5 ampere only? So maximum permissible current I equal to 5 ampere. Now it is given that power of the bulb is 100 watt and voltage is 220 volt. So the resistance of the bulb. So resistance of the bulb, or the power equal to V square by R. So R equal to V square by P. So 220 into 220 divided by 100, that is 22 into 22, 484 ohms. Like that. Now equivalent resistance equivalent resistance to get a maximum current of 5 ampere. RP see 220 समय current 5 क्या था 44 ohms. If n be the number of bulbs connected in parallel, then n by 484 is equal to 1 by 44. Therefore, n is equal to 484 divided by 44. That is 11. So the number of bulbs is 11. Calculate the energy transfer in kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour means 1 unit by a 5 ampere current flowing through a resistance of 2 ohms for 40 minutes. So here time t equal to 40 minutes. So 40 divided by 60 hour. Current I equal to 5 ampere. Resistance R is equal to 2 ohms. Then electrical energy say consume the H equal to I square R T. So I square is 5 square into 2 into 40 by 60. So this is watt hour. So 25 into 2 into 40 divided by 60 divided by 1000 kilowatt hour. So this is 0.033 kilowatt hour. Now question number 13. An electric bulb is rated at 220 volts, 200 watt. What is the resistance of the filament? So here power P equal to 200 watt, voltage V equal to 220 volt. So resistance of the bulb R equal to V square by P. So V squared is 220 into 220 divided by 200. 0 cancel to 11. 11 into 22, that is 242 ohms. Now next question is two resistors of 10 ohms and 20 ohms are connected in series across a 12-volt battery. Calculate the power consumed by each of them respectively. So here resistance ani lereko 10 ohms ama 20 ohms ama. See battery amda samay battery of 12 volts. Chechen ba current puthu yani. Now sigi equivalent R1 ga R2 ga series sigi equivalent है. See R1 plus R2 that is 10 plus 20 equal to 30 ohms. So 12 volt as a so we can calculate current flowing through the circuit. Current flowing through the circuit. Circuit means 10 ohms, 20 ohms. Since they are connected in series, the current will be same. So I equal to 12 divided by 30. That is 0.4 ampere. So chili current is here. Already, Segi 10 ohms resistance is consumed over power to the I square R1 within. Segi R2 of 20 ohms is consumed over power to na I square R2 within. The power consumed by 10 ohms resistor. So P1 equal to I square R1, that is 0.4 square into 10. So that is 1.6 watt. Power consumed by 20 ohms resistor. P2 equal to I square R2 equal to 0.4 square into 20. That is 3.2 watt. The power consumed 1.6 watt and 3.2 watt.